Are you looking to reduce prostate swelling naturally in just a week? You're not alone. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, impacts millions of men, leading to uncomfortable urinary issues. But what if you could support prostate health simply by adjusting your diet? In this video, we'll cover a 7-day plan to promote a healthier prostate using specific foods. With the right nutrients, you can potentially reduce prostate swelling and manage BPH naturally. Stick around, as we dive into the details and answer all your questions. Welcome back to Beyour Health. Before we continue, please remember that this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional health advice. Let's start with apples. These common fruits are packed with antioxidants, particularly quercetin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation, quercetin may alleviate prostate swelling and improve urinary function, helping you manage BPH symptoms more effectively. Apples also contain pectin, a type of fiber that supports gut health by nurturing beneficial bacteria, which in turn can help reduce systemic inflammation and positively affect prostate health. Avocados are next. Rich in beta-sitosterol, a plant compound that supports prostate health, avocados help block the enzyme that converts testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHTA hormone linked to prostate growth. Their healthy fats and antioxidants, including vitamin E, help protect prostate cells and reduce inflammation. The fiber in avocados also supports gut health, which may lower inflammation across the body, indirectly benefiting prostate function. Then we have berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and anthocyanins, which fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Berries also contain fiber and ellagic acid, both of which support prostate health. Fiber improves digestion and gut health, which can lower inflammation, while ellagic acid may protect against abnormal cell growth in the prostate. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful health content. Chia seeds are small but mighty. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds reduce inflammation in the prostate. They also provide fiber to support digestion and antioxidants to fight cellular damage. Chia seeds are rich in magnesium, which regulates inflammation and improves muscle function, supporting healthy urination. Next up, hemp seeds. With a balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, hemp seeds help reduce prostate inflammation. They're also high in fiber, supporting gut health, and zinc, a mineral critical for maintaining prostate size. Antioxidants like vitamin E in hemp seeds protect prostate cells from oxidative stress, making hemp seeds a great addition to your diet. Now, consider kiwi. High in vitamin C and antioxidants, kiwi reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in the prostate. Its fiber content also supports gut health, and its potassium helps maintain urinary function. Together, these benefits can alleviate symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Papaya is another excellent choice, as it contains lycopene and beta-carotene, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and promote prostate health. Papaya's enzymes also support digestion, indirectly helping to control inflammation. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of zinc and antioxidants. Zinc is vital for regulating prostate function, and antioxidants help protect prostate cells from oxidative damage. With healthy fatty acids and phytosterols, pumpkin seeds can support urinary function and potentially reduce prostate swelling. Sesame seeds are rich in zinc and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which reduce inflammation. They also contain phytosterols to support prostate health and antioxidants like vitamin E to combat oxidative stress, promoting overall prostate wellness. Finally, let's talk about watermelon. This refreshing fruit is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant linked to prostate health, and citrulline, an amino acid that promotes blood flow. The high water content in watermelon helps with hydration, essential for urinary health, while its antioxidants reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Remember, a holistic approach, including a balanced diet, regular checkups, and staying active, is essential for managing BPH. Consult with your healthcare provider before making dietary changes, especially if you experience symptoms of prostate enlargement. In this video, we'll explore a simple 7-day plan to help manage prostate enlargement through specific foods. By incorporating certain nutrient-rich ingredients, you can support prostate health and potentially reduce the size of an enlarged prostate. Let's dive into uncover the power of nutrition in managing BPH. Day 1, apples. Apples are more than just a sweet, everyday fruit. They're packed with antioxidants, particularly quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can ease swelling in the prostate gland. Chronic inflammation is a significant contributor to BPH, so including apples in your diet may help reduce both inflammation and prostate size. Apples also contain pectin, a fiber that promotes a healthy gut microbiome, a crucial aspect of prostate health. Recipe Idea 1. Apple and almond smoothie. Blend 1 chopped apple, 1 tablespoon almond butter, a handful of spinach, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and 1 cup of almond milk. This smoothie is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3s, making it a refreshing way to support prostate health. Day 3. Avocado. Avocados are rich in beta-sitosterol, a plant compound that can reduce inflammation and improve urinary symptoms. Studies have shown that beta-sitosterol can help reduce prostate size by inhibiting the conversion of testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT, which stimulates prostate growth. Avocados also provide vitamin E, lutein, and carotenoids, which support cellular health and protect prostate tissue. Recipe Idea 2. Avocado and berry salad in a bowl. Combine 1 sliced avocado, half cup of mixed berries, a handful of spinach, and a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds. Dress with a squeeze of lemon juice and a dash of olive oil. This colorful salad is a powerhouse of antioxidants, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds to support prostate health. Day 5. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries contain high levels of antioxidants, including vitamin C and anthocyanins, which reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Anthocyanins give berries their vibrant colors and work as powerful anti-inflammatories to help ease prostate enlargement. Day 6. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, both of which reduce inflammation in the prostate gland. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, and chia seeds fiber helps maintain gut health, indirectly supporting prostate health. Testimonial. Since adding apples, avocados, and chia seeds to my daily diet, I've noticed a real change in my BPH symptoms. My doctor even mentioned how my urinary health seemed improved at my last checkup. The dietary changes were simple, and I feel healthier overall. Robert, 56. Final note: while these foods can provide powerful support for prostate health, it's essential to take a holistic approach to managing BPH. Alongside dietary changes, regular checkups, staying hydrated, and maintaining physical activity are all critical for optimal results. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant changes, especially if you have pronounced BPH symptoms. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.